Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey Alex, have you noticed how much social media has changed the way we communicate?
Absolutely, Sarah. It's incredible. We can talk to anyone, anywhere, anytime. But sometimes, it feels like everyone is just staring at their phones all day.
I know what you mean. It's like we're more connected, but also more disconnected at the same time.
Exactly. Do you remember when we actually called each other on the phone?
Haha, yes. Now it's all about texting and emojis. It's funny how a tiny picture can express so much.
True. Speaking of which, do you have a favorite emoji?
Definitely the laughing, crying face. It's perfect for so many situations. How about you?
Mine's the thumbs up. It's simple and gets the point across. But sometimes I miss the nuance of real conversations.
That's a good point. Texts can be misinterpreted so easily. Have you ever had a misunderstanding because of a text?
Oh, many times. Once I sent a message meant for my friend to my boss. It was so embarrassing.
Haha, I can imagine. Social media can be tricky that way. But it's also a great tool for staying in touch.
Definitely. I love being able to keep up with friends and family who live far away. It's like they're right there with me.
And then there are the funny videos and memes. They make my day sometimes.
Yes! Speaking of which, have you seen that cat video everyone's talking about?
Oh, the one with the cat playing the piano? It's hilarious. That's the one. It's amazing how something so simple can go viral and bring so much joy. For sure. But sometimes, I wonder if we're spending too much time on social media.
I think so too. I've tried setting limits on my phone, but it's so easy to get sucked in.
Same here. I try to take breaks and do something offline, like reading a book or going for a walk.
That's a great idea. Balance is key. Do you follow any rules for your social media usage?
I try not to use my phone during meals or before bed. It helps me relax and be more present.
Good advice. I might try that. Oh, here's a fun fact. Did you know that the average person spends about 2 hours a day on social media?
Wow, that's a lot of time. Imagine what we could do with those 2 hours.
Exactly. We could learn a new skill, exercise, or even just relax. But I guess it's all about how we use that time.
Right. And social media isn't all bad. It's great for staying informed and spreading awareness about important issues.
That's true. It's also a fantastic platform for creativity. People share some amazing art and ideas online.
Yes. I've discovered so many talented artists and musicians through social media. It's inspiring.
And let's not forget about memes. They're like the modern day version of jokes.
Haha, absolutely. Do you have a favorite meme format?
I love the classic distracted boyfriend meme. It never gets old. How about you?
I'm a fan of the mocking SpongeBob meme. It's so versatile and always makes me laugh.
Memes really are a unique way of communicating. It's like a universal language.
Totally. But sometimes I miss the good old face-to-face conversations.
Same here. There's something special about talking in person. The expressions, the tone, it all adds so much.
Exactly. Maybe we should make an effort to meet up more often and put our phones away.
That sounds like a great idea. More real conversations and less screen time.
Agreed. It's all about finding that balance and enjoying the best of both worlds.
Speaking of balance, do you have any tips for managing social media and real life?
I think it's about setting boundaries and being mindful of our usage. Like scheduling specific times for checking social media.
Good point. I'll try that. And maybe we can remind each other to take breaks and enjoy the moment.
Deal. It's been great talking about this, Alex. Let's catch up in person soon.
Definitely, Sarah. Thanks for the chat. See you soon.
See you, Alex.